Hi guys, today we are talking about how to recover a Threads account. First, unlock your phone and open the Threads app. If you see that your account is not logged in, don't panic. This usually happens when your Instagram account is logged out or facing issues. So the main thing to understand is that Threads works with Instagram. Now on the login screen, you will see the option to log in with Instagram. Tap on it because Threads does not have a separate password system. It uses your Instagram account for access. So if Instagram is fine, Threads will automatically work again. If you are unable to log in, go to Instagram and open the login page. Tap on Forgot Password to start recovery. This step is very important because it helps you reset your account access. Without Instagram recovery, Threads cannot be recovered separately. Now check your email inbox where Instagram will send a recovery link. Open that email carefully and follow the instructions. Set a new password for your account. Once done, your Instagram account will be recovered successfully. Now go back to Instagram and log in with your new password. After successful login, your account will be fully restored. Since Threads is linked, it will automatically sync again. You don't need to do any separate recovery for Threads. So guys, that's how you can recover your Threads account easily. Just remember, Instagram recovery is the key because Threads depends on it. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more tutorials.